Halki Diabetes Remedy is every type 2 diabetes sufferer's guide to restoring and regaining their health, safely and naturally. Unlike many conventional methods, this system is designed to tackle the root cause of type 2 diabetes, so you can be completely diabetes-free. It doesn't require you to take any prescription medications, eat a strict diet or spend hours working out either. Instead, it's all about getting the proper nutrients in your diet that cleanse type 2 diabetes toxins from your body and that restore and repair your body from the damage that has been done. The process is laid out for you in a simple, easy-to-follow 21-day action plan that gives you everything you need to regain control of your health once again. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy about? The world is currently experiencing a type 2 diabetes epidemic, despite a large number of medications being available to those diagnosed with this condition. In fact, studies show that approximately 30 million Americans have diabetes, with over 84 million Americans having pre-diabetes. Not only that, but it's estimated that approximately 8.1 million Americans are undiagnosed or unaware that they are at high risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, even if you don't have it right now, it's time to take action. Halki Diabetes Remedy provides you with a 21-day natural regime that allows you to do just that. It focuses on teaching you how to eliminate the toxins from your body that have been linked to being a major factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. This is key because toxins are everywhere in this day and age. They're in your clothes, your cleaning supplies, your grooming products, your food, your air, you name it. They are absolutely everywhere and you cannot avoid them. However, you can remove them from your body as soon as they get in your system, which is exactly what you learn how to do with Halki Diabetes Remedy. I'll get into the details of the program in just a moment, but as a teaser, Halki Diabetes Remedy provides you with recipes, a 21-day meal plan, lifestyle tips, charts and valuable information, so you can start to cleanse and repair your body. In addition to providing you with easy-to-follow action plans, the system also teaches you about the toxins that are causing type 2 diabetes and the damage that they result in. This is to ensure that you have all the knowledge needed to continue with your progress even after you've completed the system. All of the information learned is also supported by scientific evidence, which is a huge factor. Now, the entire program is digital, so you receive immediate access as soon as you purchase. You do not have to pay or wait for shipping and can sign in and download the program right onto your laptop, tablet, smartphone or computer. This ensures you have everything you need, wherever you are. So, if you're heading to the grocery store to pick up some ingredients or to the kitchen to cook up some of the recipes in the meal plan, as long as you have your electronic devices, you have the information needed to continue on this healthy path. The results are even guaranteed with the 60-day money-back guarantee. This gives you 2 months to try the 21-day program out before deciding if cleansing out the root cause of type 2 diabetes is for you. Chances are, you'll find that it is. Who is the creator of Halki Diabetes Remedy? The creator of Halki Diabetes Remedy is professional researcher, Amanda Feerson. Amanda has dedicated the past 20 years of her career to finding healthy, natural alternatives to modern-day medications for type 2 diabetes that simply mask the symptoms instead of tackling them altogether. Her research led her to Eric Whitfield, who was on a similar path after almost losing his wife to this disease. Together, their research led them to an abundance of scientific evidence that supported everything you learn in this system. What you'll learn in Halki Diabetes Remedy. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a comprehensive, 21-day plan that educates you on what's going on in your body, so you can begin to tackle your type 2 diabetes. It's highly focused on diet and using food to cleanse your body of the toxins that are linked to being the main cause of type 2 diabetes. The program is also designed to use food to repair the damage that has been caused in your body by type 2 diabetes thus far. So, not only do you learn how to eliminate type 2 diabetes, but you also learn how to restore your health. This is all done through the easy, step-by-step action plans, recipes, charts and meal plans provided to you with this system. But don't take my word for it. To give you a better idea of what you can expect from the program as a whole, here's a sneak peek at some of the topics, recipes and techniques covered. Introduction: You have everything you need. Island of Wonder, not just another ebook. The power of addiction. Toxicity: something just doesn't add up. Air, the real killer. The impact of inflammation. It's not just diabetes. The protocol. Introduction to reversing glucoraphanin, sulforaphane, myrosinase, the unsung hero. Vitamin C, vitamin E, B, carotene, omega-3 fatty acid, ginger, magnesium. Where it all begins: the diabetes reversing table. Spicing things up. The magic of broccoli, not your average diabetes health plan. How it all works: pairing up supplementation. Ginger tea serving suggestions. The multitaskers of the ground. All recipes. Week 1 recipes, week 2 recipes, week 3 recipes. Success guaranteed. Welcome to your new life. In addition to this, you also receive some bonus programs for absolutely free, which you also get immediate access to. Bonus: Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus: Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus: Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. Our verdict: unfortunately, many modern-day medicines are designed to soothe the symptoms instead of eliminating them altogether. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an online system that teaches you how to get to the root cause of your type 2 diabetes, so you can get rid of this disease once and for all, while also restoring your health and regaining control of your happiness and life again. It's an easy system that teaches you how to eat well and deliciously to beat type 2 diabetes, and it also comes with an abundance of valuable knowledge so you can keep the healing process going even after you've completed the 21 days. And with the 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose by giving it a try.